For many years, HMT was India's most trusted watch brand. Then one company entered the market and just changed one thing. Not the product, not the technology, just the positioning. The brand was Titan. Back in the 1960s and 1980, HMT watches were everywhere. It was dominating Indian market and was holding 90% share. It was reliable, government-backed, trusted by family. Now Titan could have competed on pricing or accuracy or durability, but they chosen a smarter strategy. HMT was selling watches. Titan started selling style. That changed everything. Titan store looked premium, the branding looked modern, the design felt aspirational. People were no longer buying their watches just to see the time. They were buying identity. Meanwhile, HMT continued talking about durability. Titan started talking about lifestyle. Slowly, the market shift happened and Titan became one of the Indian biggest watch brand. The takeaway here is most businesses only talk about what they make. Very few talk about what the customer become after buying it. That's where positioning matters. Even today, most manufacturers says we do CNC machine or we do automobile component and we are ISO certified. But every competitor says the same thing. Now compare that with when we position ourselves saying that we help aerospace company reduce rejection rate. Immediately the position feel different. Same mission, same process, different perception, and perception changes by years. I am Nandan with over 2 decades of experience working with manufacturing companies. I help manufacturing companies position themselves better so the right buyer trusts them faster. Follow me for more insight on manufacturing growth strategy and DM me positioning. Let's discuss how your brand is currently positioned online. Thanks for watching.